Hello children, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel and Radha online classes. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it, share and forward it to maximum of your friends. Okay, let's do with me question number 5 of chapter 13, that is exercise 13.1 कर रहे हैं हम लोग, and the chapter we are doing is exponential powers. तो देखते हैं the very first question of today, that is question number 5, that is express as product of prime factors. You have to express the following numbers as the product of prime factors. Prime factors you know? Yes, prime numbers के जो factors होंगे means prime numbers. हम इसको convert करेंगे, इसके जो factors निकालेंगे, that must be the prime numbers. Yes. See, the first question I have written for you, that is 648. LCM हमें इसका निकालना है, तो 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Then 2 1s are 2. Here 1 यहाँ आ गया, अब ये 12 हो गया, 2 6s are 12 and 2 2s are 4. Then 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. Then 2 से तो नहीं जाएगा ये. Why? Because unit place is 1. It will go with 3. Why? Because 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 3 का से divisible होता है, तो 3 2s are 6 and 7s are 21. 3 9s are, then 3 3s are and 3 1s are. So what is the LCM of this? See, it is 2 into 2, 1 2 3, 3 times 2 and 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 and 4, right? So children, 2 is 1 2 3 times, that means into product of prime factors. 2 is prime factor, 3 is prime factor. 1 2 3 4, 4 times. So what is the product of prime factor of this number? That is 2 raised to the power 3 and into 3 raised to the power 4. Okay, so in this way we have to do its all parts. Let's see the next one part. Look here, said children, here is your second part, that is 405. 405 5 है at unit place, 2 से तो जाएगा नहीं. After that is 3, तो 5 plus 4 is 9. Yes, it will go with 3. So 3 1s are 3, कितना बचा? 3 3s are 9. Again 1 is left, 15 हो गया, 3 5s are 15. Now see again, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 9. Again it will go with 3. 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. Then again see 9. That means 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Again it will go with 3. 3 5s are 15. Now it will go with 5. Okay. So what is the factors of this? You can write 1 2 3 4 times 3. 1 2 3 and 4 times 3 into 5. So 3 how many times multiplied? See, 1 2 3 4 times 3 has came, so it is into 5 to the power, only 1 is there, no need to write that. That is, it is the product of 3 raised to the power 4 and 5. Okay, let's come to its next part. See children, here is your third part, that is 540. So 2 से चला जाएगा. Why? Because unit place is 0. 2 से हम कट करेंगे इसको सबसे पहले. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 0s are 0. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. Now see, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 9. It will go with 3. 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. Again it will go by 3. 3 15s are 45. Then 3 5s are and then 5 1s are. So what are the prime factors of this? See, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. So it will be 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 1 2 3 into what? 5. So here is your product of prime factors, that is 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 3 into 5. So children, in this way you have to do question number 5. Fourth part I am just leaving for you, that is 3600. Same is there is LCM निकालेंगे and you have to find out the product of prime factors. Okay, let's come to next question. See children, here A part is given to you. सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन का ए पार्ट देखते हैं. सिंप्लीफाई. सिंप्लीफाई का मतलब होता है उसको सिंप्लीफाई कर देना, मतलब आसान बना देना. ओके, नाउ सी 2 into raised 10 raised to the power 3, that means 2 into 10 की power 3, that means what you can write 10 into 10 into 10, that means simply put 3 zeros here. Okay, so 2 into 1000, that is equal to what? 2000. So simple. Let's come to its B part. B part is what? B part is given to you 7 raised to the power 2 into 2 raised to the power 2. Yes, this is the question. Yes. Now, how you'll do this? See, 7 raised to the power 2. That means 7 into 7 into 2 into 2. 7 7 का कितना होता है? 49 and 2 2 is 4. So this is equal to 4 9 36 के 6, 3 over 16, 17, 18, 19, 196 is your answer. So it is very simple to do. Let's come to its C part. See children, I have taken fifth part and seventh part. Okay, let's look here. 0 into 10 to the power 2, that means 0 into 100. 0 से किसी भी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, you will get what? 0. So its answer is 0. Let's come to this one. 2 raised to the power 4, that means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So what is your answer? 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16 into 9, that is equal to 154. No, 144. It's 144. In this way you can do all its parts. I think question number 5th and 6th is clear to you. If you're having any doubt, please write in the comment box. मिलते हैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर माय चैनल. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.